going on, everyone, and welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we finally have my Whippled 15 GT back on the lift here at my shop at HPR. We've had quite a few customers' cars come through already, and we've been taking care of them because the customers come first. Then when I get a little bit of breathing room, I get a chance to work on my own cars. So we've got a little bit of breathing room today, so that's what we're going to do. We have the Corsa Catback, and I gotta give a huge shout out to everyone. You know who you are, and thank you very much for that. I do appreciate it. They got together and got me the rear section of the Corsa Catback. They got me the black quad tip Catback, and they left it up to me whether I wanted to get a double X or a double H, and I decided to go with the double X. And we also, since we got the quad tip Corsa Catback, we also picked up the Roush rear valence to change the rear valence from single tip to quad tip exhaust. Another shout out I got to give is I had somebody come in and they stopped in. They had a twin turbo car. You can catch the car over on Modern Muscle Performance's channel, but he came in and I helped him out getting tuned straightened out, and we found a vacuum leak for him and everything. So as a thank you, he shipped me some tail lights, and man, I've been wanting to put these in. These are the 18 up style, so we're going to change the look of the car. So we got this, we got the exhaust, we got the valence, so we're going to transform the rear of the car look a little bit, and we're going to make it a little bit louder. I've been wanting to do this for a little while. I've got Chris here to help me.
A little bit louder?
Just a little.
Define little.
Just a wee bit. But the good thing I love about the Corsa Catback, I had this on my black 17, guys. If you've been around my channel since the beginning, I had a 17 California Special that I put a Roush supercharger on, a Corsa Catback, and I absolutely love the way that car sounds because there is zero drone, highway speeds. You can have a conversation inside the car, but when you get ready to get down on it, she screams. So highly looking forward to getting that back on the car. And then the tail lights, those tail lights have grown on me. I used to not be a fan of those, but they have really grown on me, and I think they look amazing on these cars, and especially upgrading up to the 18 up style tail lights. But yeah, so let's get enough talking. Let's get busy. So we got it done, guys, and let me tell you, that Roush rear valence right there is a little bit of a job. The next one I do won't be so bad if we ever do another one, but got the tail lights in, as you've seen in the video, got the Corsa cat back in, and you ready? Mm-hmm. All right. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Much better. Man, I miss that sound. So we're going to let it warm up a little bit, and then once it's warmed up, we will give you some revs. So we are back at the shop, and I got the car back up in here. I am going to take it home. I decided to pull it up in here and finish the video in here instead of out there. But guys, love it. Absolutely love the new look. Let me know down in the comments what kind of spoiler you think I should put back here. I'm really leaning back toward the GT500 spoiler this time, maybe with a GT500 and have the gurney flap on this one, and then go to the front. And what are you guys thinking about the front end, changing it up a little bit? GT350 style front bumper, GT500 style front bumper. What are you guys thinking? Down the road, nothing right now, just down the road. What are you guys thinking? Or just leave it alone, because the GT front bumper does look good. Maybe just put a different lip on it, make it a little more aggressive, and you know, just leave the car alone. I'm not really been one for big things cosmetic wise, but I do like making a car my own, and guys, I'm absolutely loving it. All right, guys, a lot of you have been asking how much horsepower this car puts down to the ground. Honest with you, I'm not sure. This car was tuned between the street and the drag strip. It has not been on the dyno, so I really don't know. If you guys want to know how much horsepower it puts down, let me know down in the comments. I'll take it out to the horsepower factory, the same dyno we use for all the customers' car here at HPR. I'll take it out there, put it on the dyno, and see what it puts down. You guys know that I view dynos as tuning tools. I take their numbers with a grain of salt. For me, the real power shows its face on the drag strip. But the good thing about a dyno is you're able to compare horsepower numbers. For example, if we take this out there and we put it on the dyno and we run it, do a couple runs, and get kind of an average of what power it puts down, and then keep track of that. And then as we modify the car down the road, we can take it back and we can see how much horsepower it picked up, because as long as you're using the same dyno, you can actually see how much power you pick up as you go. But let me know down in the comments if that's something you guys would like to see. I'll take it to the dyno, put it on there, and see what it does. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you next time.